Hey everyone, welcome to Past Chronicles. Today, we're traveling back in time to an age before electricity, before machines, when life was guided by the sun, the land, and the rhythm of nature. In ancient civilizations like Egypt, Mesopotamia, and Rome, people lived in simple homes made from mud, stone, or wood. Their walls held the warmth of firelight, and nights were calm, except for the sound of wind or water. Life was slower, but full of meaning. Food was the heart of daily life. Families shared bread baked in clay ovens, fruits from their gardens, and water drawn from wells or rivers. There were no supermarkets, just patience, hard work, and gratitude for every meal. Work was survival. Farmers tilled the soil by hand, craftsmen shaped tools, pottery, and weapons. Every trade, every skill had purpose. People didn't chase wealth. They built life with their hands and time. Faith guided their hearts. They worshiped the sun, stars, and gods who they believed protected their world. Temples stood as symbols of hope, art, and unity. So next time you look at our modern world, the lights, the noise, the speed, remember the people who came before us. They lived simply, dreamed deeply, and gave us the stories that still shape who we are. This is Past Chronicles, where history breathes again.